Now unfortunately I'm left-handed, so it's going to be a little tricky for me to do a full demonstration on this guitar, but we will just give the guitar a quick sound test. So first I'm going to back the volume and tone right off. And we'll just check our volume's working. And we'll check our tone. And here that's coming in nicely. Okay, now the next thing I would do, turn the guitar flat out, take your hands away from the guitar, and hopefully you're not hearing any interference, any signs of hum or electrical interference. Now if you did have a problem there, this is a fairly simple circuit. What I do is just go back into the electronics cavity and check your ground circuit. It's possible that those black wires that we soldered earlier, one of those has come loose, or you've got a connection issue there. Now the last thing I would check is just the neck itself. I'd run it up and down. I'd run it up and down each fret on each string of the guitar, and what you're listening for there is fret bars or any dead notes. And if you do come across any problems like that, again you would just adjust the action or have a look at the amount of neck relief you've got. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed building your LPJ guitar kit as much as I have. Thanks for watching.